Have you ever noticed that after being in front of a computer or phone for a while, your eyes feel dry, as if you'd forgotten to blink, like your eyelids had magically stayed open?
Absolutely. And it's not just with screens. It happens when I'm reading something really interesting on paper or when I'm watching a movie that completely grabs me. Suddenly I blink and think, how long has it been since I did that?
Exactly. And here's what's curious. This isn't your body making a mistake. It's as if your internal system quietly says, attention, this information matters, and automatically reduces blinking to not miss a single detail. It's not that your eyes are failing. It's that your brain prioritizes continuous clear vision over momentary eye maintenance.
I love how you put that. It's like when you're in the middle of a passionate conversation and you stop noticing background noise. Your attention focuses so intensely on what you're seeing or hearing that other automatic functions become more subtle. With screens, it's the same. The brain says, this requires my complete visual attention, and the eyelids comply by slowing their natural rhythm.
And here's the interesting part. Normal blinking happens between 15 and 20 times per minute, but in front of an engaging screen, it can drop to 5 or even 3 times per minute. It's no coincidence. It's an adaptive response humans have carried for a very long time. Picture an ancestor watching an animal move in the distance. Their eyelids would move less to keep their target in sight. Today, we do the same thing when tracking a cursor on screen or reading an important message.
What a clear image. And the beautiful part is that the body knows how to return to its natural rhythm when we change activities. When you finish reading that urgent email, or when you pause the show to go to the bathroom, what happens? You blink several times in a row almost without noticing. It's as if your eyelids say, we can take care of the eyes again now. You didn't have to remind yourself. It just happens.
That's why it's important not to panic when you notice it. Many people think, something's wrong with my eyes, I must have a condition. But really, it's just your body doing its focused attention job. The difference lies in duration. If it happens during those moments of intense screen concentration, it's normal adaptation. If it lasted for hours and hours without visual breaks, that's when simple measures to help your eyes would be worthwhile.
Completely agree. And I want to add something gentle. Noticing you've been blinking less can actually be a kind signal from your body, like a quiet reminder that says, hey, you've been deeply focused for a while. In that moment, without forcing anything, you can simply allow yourself a few conscious blinks, not to fix anything, just to accompany your eyes with a soft gesture of care.
I like that idea of a soft gesture of care, because if you try to blink forcefully or exaggeratedly, it sometimes creates more tension. But if you simply notice, oh, I haven't blinked in a while, and allow your eyelids to close gently 2 or 3 times, your eyes respond on their own. It's like watering a thirsty plant. You don't flood it, you just give it a few gentle sips of water.
What a great metaphor. And this applies when we look at artwork, when we gaze at the starry sky, or when we follow a bird in flight. Any situation where our visual attention fixes intensely on something can temporarily reduce blinking. It's not exclusive to digital screens. It's part of being human with a visual system highly sensitive to what we consider relevant.
And let's talk about children, because they experience this intensely. With every new video, with every tablet game, their eyelids move less. It's normal. They're exploring a completely new visual world. With time, the body learns to modulate this response. Not every screen requires maximum continuous attention. Blinks stay more regular because experience teaches us to distinguish between what needs total focus and what allows natural visual breaks.
It's like learning to look at the ocean. At first, everything is novelty. The waves, the colors, the movements, eyes fix without barely blinking. With time, one learns to look with more fluidity, allowing eyelids to do their work while enjoying the view. With screens, it's the same. With awareness, the body learns to maintain natural blinking even during prolonged visual activities.
An important point. If noticing reduced blinking comes with intense eye pain, persistent blurry vision, or extreme light sensitivity, that's no longer the adaptive response we're describing. Those are signals that deserve attention from a vision professional without delay. What we're talking about today is that gentle reduction in blinking you notice and that disappears when you look away, not persistent eye symptoms.
And if you notice your eyes feel dry almost all day, even when you're talking with someone or walking outdoors, it's also a good moment to discuss it with a vision health specialist. Not because something's broken, but because you deserve to understand what's happening in your eyes and have informed options. Taking care of yourself includes knowing when to ask for a professional perspective.
Back to everyday life. How can we gently accompany this natural response without turning it into another task? It's simple. Every 20 minutes in front of a screen, ask yourself one soft question. Have I blinked lately? Without judgment, just observation. Often when we notice it, our eyelids move on their own several times in a row, as if recovering their lost rhythm.
I join that gentle invitation, observing without criticism. Like when you notice you're thirsty and take a sip of water without making a big deal of it. With blinking, it's the same. You notice they've been infrequent, allow a few gentle ones to happen, and continue your activity with slightly more comfortable eyes.
And something curious I've observed, when we allow our eyelids to move more naturally during screen use, concentration itself improves. Not because we're doing something right, but because comfortable eyes transmit better information to the brain. A dry or irritated eye unconsciously distracts. A well-lubricated eye allows us to maintain attention with greater clarity and less fatigue.
What a valuable observation. It's as if our eyelids are silent guardians of our visual clarity. Each blink distributes a thin tear film that keeps the eye's surface smooth and transparent. When we blink regularly, we see more clearly, not because we changed the screen, but because we cared for the window through which we view the world.
To wrap up clearly, temporarily reducing blinking during intense visual activities is a normal adaptive response of the human body. It doesn't indicate eye disease. It doesn't mean you're using technology wrong. It's simply your visual system prioritizing continuous information capture during a moment it considers important.
And the tenderest part of all, each recovered blink is at its heart a small act of love toward your own eyes. Your body knows how to care for them, but sometimes it needs you to also notice when they've been working too long without rest. It's not a flaw, it's a physical expression of how much you depend on your vision to connect with the world. Essential ethical reminder. This conversation describes normal physiological responses in people without diagnosed medical conditions. It is not medical advice or diagnosis. If you experience persistent or concerning eye symptoms, always consult your trusted vision health professional. The information shared here aims for understanding, not replacing the personalized care every person deserves. Thank you for joining us for this third episode of Neuro Hacks About You. We've chatted about those blinks that vanish in front of screens, without jargon, with respect for your daily experience. Remember, noticing your eyes with gentle curiosity is already a first step in caring for yourself.
Next episode, why your heart beats faster when you get a notification. A simple conversation about the silent language of your nervous system. Until then, blink gently while you look. Neuro Hacks About You. Science to understand your everyday life.